To Japa or not to Japa? That is the question. Would you want to be a second-class citizen in some other country, but have some financial security or stability, yet be constantly derided? Or you would want to be a first-class citizen in your own country, say Ghana, where you would suffer some financial insecurity and even deprivations, yet be able to help build upwards? We set to do Omo Ghana because the subject of migration is so topical, the global dynamics now. I mean, the migrant is needed yet vilified. So we said, let's revisit 83, where 1 million Ghanaians were forcibly expelled from Nigeria. At the time, the population of Ghana was 10 million, so 1 million meant 10% of us were sent from Nigeria back. These were very tumultuous times. Yet, fast forward 42 years, and some things haven't changed. We are still living in droves. By air, by sea, we stow away. We hide under the carriage of airplanes. We walk through the desert and wither away. Yet we keep on going. So the point is, the global village, so-called now, and human resources, just like any economic good, is driven by market forces. So there are some skills and talents and aptitudes that are critically sought after. So in the West, so if you're a nurse or a doctor or some IT expert, you have high value. The demand is high over there. And so you could make a very decent living and make a lot of money relatively very quickly. So do you go there, or do you stay here where those talents are needed, yet the returns may make you a virtual pauper? That is the dilemma. So do we want to stay here and push hard and to build our country and live here happily and be proud first-class citizens? Or do we want to go and hustle for some money and be a second-class citizen somewhere else? So the question is, to Japa or not to Japa?